Hello everyone, thank you for viewing this week's video. Let's take a look at the indices and check out how they have performed and also the outlook for the upcoming week. First, let's do a quick discussion on the market performance last week. The US market started with some lower action as the interest rate hike fear lingers, but has managed to stage a strong comeback as the market brushed aside hawkish speech from Powell and his colleague to rally and close higher. The STI surprises as it managed to hold at a support level and break out from its channel to move into the direction of uptrend, while Hang Seng slumped before recover some lost ground due to the China CPI data. So the China CPI data has actually gone down instead of gone up. So that surprises the market. So this helped the index stage a strong rebound. But technically, there's a reason behind it. Let's take a look at the chart later on. So let's take a look at the performance chart first. First, we look at Hang Seng, which has managed to crawl back significantly from a 3% down, rebounded, and then was only down 0.6%. Now, the best performing index is Nasdaq, as it managed to record a 4.2% gain, and STI has managed to clock a 1.8% gain. Let's take a look at the chart over here, starting with the Dow. So we can see Dow has managed to rebound from this projected level and move back towards this 32,375 resistance, which was the previous support now turned into resistance. So technically, the Dow still looking good. So if it can test this resistance and break out from it, definitely there's some bullish action. The support, we can adjust it to more precise at 31,047 now. So going forward next week, we like to see more action, especially when you break out from this resistance. S&P 500, we can see the rebound from this support at 3,910 to retest this resistance at 4,078. If we switch to the weekly chart, the weekly actually form a candlestick reversal pattern called the one white soldier, and we can see that there might be a potential change of trend if the S&P 500 can move up back to this high around 4,309, as we can see a higher low forming. So next week we have a white candle over here, okay, and then a retest of this high, which is around 4,325 to be more accurate, and then we see a breakout, then we see a uptrend going forward. Now, Nasdaq, we see a rebound from its support over as well. As you see from the performance chart, it was up 4.2%. Now, we switch to the weekly. We can see this nice white candle formed, and then what the Nasdaq composite is going to do next week is going to move above this downtrend line. Okay, so of course this is the best scenario where we can see that the index move up towards 13,190 resistance to recover from the sell down over here. All right, let's take a look at STI. We can see STI broke above this channel. So this channel is no longer valid, as now STI is not going into downtrend, because when it tests this high at 3,263, it actually signal for a change in trend. So what trend it is going to turn to? If it break out successfully again, then we may be seeing uptrend. But if it's going sideways, then 3,204 might be tested. But if you look at the weekly chart, it offers some sign that the index may be going on uptrend, because we can see a potential higher low over here. So let's see where the index hit at which level that the index hit next week. Now, Hang Seng, we can see Hang Seng hit to our projected level. This is the reason why it got sold off, because the projected level says so. So the projected level was 18,784, where Hang Seng managed to now form a support and rebound from there, forming a one white soldier, a very nice one white soldier at the end of Friday. Now, if you go to the weekly chart, you can see a nice hammer again. So this offers a glimmer of hope for more recovery. So if Hang Seng can end up higher next week, which is a short week next week, because on Monday, we see Hang Seng close for Mid-Autumn Festival celebrations. But if the next week it can close above 19,513 or even test back this level at 20,305, there might be some more upside going forward. A change in trend may be on the card. So wrapping up, what are we expecting next week? Next week will be a crucial week. Why? Because next week we have the core CPI data from US. Okay, so next Tuesday, we have the core CPI data, which is going to, tell us whether the market is going to move up or move down. Because if this number is moving down, okay, then the market may be going up even higher. And then followed by the core PPI number. So all the inflation data is going to come in next week, and it's going to be crucial because if the inflation data continue to trend lower, like I say, market is going to go for higher movement. All right. So wish us good luck next week, and I will see you again.